Welcome to Kinhome's channel. If you're planning to upgrade your kitchen, 2025 is the perfect year to embrace modern innovation and design. In this video, we'll explore cutting-edge ideas that will make your kitchen both stylish and functional. Let's get started. Modern kitchens in 2025 are about blending aesthetics with practicality. The focus is on creating spaces that are sustainable, smart, and stunning. Whether you have a compact apartment or a spacious home, these ideas will inspire you. The minimalist kitchen design trend. Clean lines, handle-less cabinets, and monochromatic color schemes are taking center stage. These elements create a sleek and timeless look, making your kitchen feel open and inviting. Modern doesn't have to mean boring. Adding bold color accents is a great way to make your kitchen stand out. Think jewel-tone backsplashes, statement pendant lights, or even colorful bar stools to inject personality into the space. A multi-purpose island is a game-changer for modern kitchens. It's not just for prep work, it's a dining space, a storage solution, and even a spot for built-in appliances like wine coolers or stovetops. Bringing the outside in is another hot trend. Using natural materials like wood, stone, and plants can add warmth and texture to your kitchen while maintaining a modern edge. Modern kitchens embrace multifunctional lighting zones. Bright task lighting is ideal for meal prep, while soft ambient lighting creates a cozy vibe for dining or late-night snacks. Dare to be different with unique materials and textures. Metal cabinetry, terrazzo countertops, and textured concrete flooring are trending for their bold, modern appeal. Next, we have minimalism, where less is more. Modern kitchens are embracing clean lines, neutral tones, and clutter-free designs to create a serene and timeless space. This idea is the ever-popular open concept layout. Modern kitchens embrace openness, creating a seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas. This layout makes your home feel larger and more connected, perfect for entertaining or spending time with family. At the center of most modern kitchens is the multifunctional island. It's more than just a prep area, it's a dining table, a storage unit, and even a cooking station. Your kitchen should reflect your personality. Add unique touches like custom hardware, open shelving for your favorite decor pieces, or even a statement fixture to make the space truly your own. Move over, plain white cabinets. Bold colors are here to stay. Rich shades like navy, forest green, and matte black are dominating modern kitchen trends, adding depth and drama to your space. Finally, nothing says modern luxury like high-end finishes. From quartz countertops to brass fixtures, these details add a timeless elegance to your kitchen. And there you have it, modern kitchen ideas to inspire your next project. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.